In this video, we're going to show you a really fast and easy way to make clarified butter or ghee. We'll just need butter, a glass jar, a saucepan, and a knife. Firstly, slice the butter in small portions to put it into the jar. Next, place the jar in the saucepan, fill it up with water and simmer. As you can see, the butter slowly melts, leaving the fat on top and the water and other byproducts on the bottom. About 30 minutes on hot but not boiling water will be enough, and we can now remove the jar. Now carefully open the jar to dissipate the pressure generated by the heat. Then close it again and with a sharp movement flip it upside down. We'll leave it like that, and when it gets to room temperature, put it in the fridge to solidify the fat. Few hours in, and we'll take it out of the fridge to finish the process. Now flip the jar again, open it carefully, throw away the milky liquid that's on the surface, and finally rinse it out a little bit to clean it. And that's it, our ghee is ready to consume.